Today we're going to be installing the 3rd gen Toyota Tundra ARB air compressor mount. The first thing we're going to do is get your long cylindrical bracket, and we're going to mount it to the front of the relay and fuse box bolt location. Next, we're going to remove the 2 factory bolts that are holding on the 2 sensors between the relay fuse box and the brake booster. Now we're going to take the second bracket and install it in the same bolt locations we just removed. Now that our 2 brackets are installed, we're going to go ahead and mount the plate on top of the 2 brackets so we can locate the bolt locations where we have to drill on the side of the fender to install the rivets. Now that we mounted our plate, what we're going to do is take a Sharpie and mark the location on our fender where we have to drill a hole to insert our rivet nuts. Now that you've mounted the drilling location, take off the plate, grab the appropriate drill bit size and install your 2 rivet nuts. These mounts are available at RagoFabrication.com.